Okay, here's a couple of good questions. This first one we're not actually I won't test you on, but I'll show you how to do it similar to what we've done before. So what you first need to do is find a lowest common denominator. So between 3 and 5 and t, your lowest common denominator would be 15t. So then what you do is you take each term and multiply it by that lowest common denominator. So 15t, 15t, 15t. And then for the first one, it'll be 15t over 3 plus 15t over 5 is equal to 15t over t. The first one simplifies to 5t, this one to 3t, and this one to 15. Adding that, you get 8t is equal to 15, and then divide both sides by 8. So t would be 15 over 8. Like I said, we'll do that in another section, so a question like that won't be on the test. However, a question like this, oh, this is the same question. Yeah, same question. So this won't be on the exam either. Let me show you how you can do it though. You do it the same way as you find a lowest common denominator between all the denominators. And that one I'm just going to factor out. So you can see the lowest common denominator will be y minus 4, y plus 4. So you need to make each term so it has that. So this first one doesn't have a y minus 4, so I'll put that on it. And the second one doesn't have a y plus 4, so I'll put that on it. And the last one, I don't need to change, so it's just a 14. Now, you could put it all over that common denominator, but if the denominator is the same for all of them, you actually don't need to write it. So now, whoops, yeah, for an equation, you don't need to write it. So now you can multiply through. So 4y minus 16 minus 2y minus 8 is equal to 14. So I'll get 2y minus 24 is equal to 14. Add 24 to both sides and divide by 2. But like I said, those two questions won't be on the exam.